Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for new content. So guys, I took my passion twist out. I needed to take them out. Excuse the noise in the background. You may hear my daughter. She's back there. She's up here with me while I'm recording. Took my passion twist out. Needed a refresh. It was time to do a wash just from working out and sweating and all of that. I will be using the same passion twist hair. The passion twists are still good and they're reusable. Hi baby. And they're reusable. I also have some left over here from the first time that I did my passion twist, and we're adding some blonde highlights in it, guys. I wanted to brighten it up just a little bit, so I'm going to show you guys how I'll be doing that. Stay tuned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by doing the back of my head and just work my way up. That's how I did it last time. And then once it gets to a part where I will be inserting the blonde pieces, I will show you guys how I will be doing that. We'll see how this goes. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. It's my first time trying this. Just wanted something a little bit brighter, especially because it's like literally summertime and I just kind of wanted to brighten things up with my hair. I do already have blonde pieces here at the bottom. It's like a darker blonde. This is like a 27, but I wanted to kind of brighten it up just a little bit more. So we'll see how that goes. My pattern is still the same. My hair is looking a little crazy. Bless you, baby. So what I did was I just went through and created little parts and braided my hair up. This worked really well and kept the passion twist really nice. But my new growth started to come in and I needed a wash, so I just wanted to kind of refresh everything. So I'm starting from scratch again. I noticed I'm getting a little bit quicker, so that's great. But let's go ahead and get started. So what I do is I'll take the crochet net and I'll stick it up through there, through the space in between my scalp and where the braid starts. I'll open the crochet, stick the piece of hair in, make sure it's all hooked, close it, and then I'm gonna pull the hair through just like that. And then I'm gonna take 1/2 of the hair and it's in, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start braiding, and you want to make sure that you go in the direction of the twist. So it seems like they're all going this way, so I'm going to start to braid that way. And this is how I did it last time. I start off braiding it, and then I'll stop about here, and then I'll start twisting it like this.
We're making love. Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between.
This is what the first one looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through and do that. Once I get to the part where I'm going to start putting in some highlights, I will show that part. However, I'm not gonna have it like all throughout. It's just gonna be like little pieces here and there. I don't want a lot of it. But I did get 2 packs of 613. So I'll be putting that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and I'll come back once I start putting in the highlights. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to go on with the 613 hair. Excited. I have about, let's see, 3 twists done already. Oh, no, I have 4 twists actually. Yeah, 4 twists. So I have one right here, I have a braid here. And I'm gonna cut this open. This hair is so soft. How I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna go in and separate this like this. And you want to be very careful. I'm not going to use this whole thing because it's too thick, but I'm going to go in and use about half of it. And it's already kind of separating, so I'm just going to go in and just kind of pull it apart like that and add this to this. The blonde is 24 inches, so I'm gonna have to go in and cut the end and get ready to add this now. So I have a piece here, right here. Bless you, baby. I think my daughter has a little bit of a cold. A little bit. Oh, I hate when the hair gets stuck on the. Put my finger through, and I just want to pull one side through like this. Oh, we made it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and start braiding. Bless you, baby girl.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
And this is what it looks like with the blonde. I'm so excited. Super excited. See how that looks really nice, like a highlight. It's like a mix. So I'm just gonna put that in like randomly throughout my hair. Once I get closer to being done, I will come back and show you guys the finished result so that you can see it all done. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I did finish my hair. However, it is a little over a week later. I had some things come up and situations I've been dealing with, so this is a week old. This hair is a week old already. As you can see, I added some 613 passion twist in my hair, and it's in there. I have it up right now. This is how I wore it today. I am loving it. I love the lighter color. I think it looks really, really good. I'm obsessed with passion twist, y'all, for the summertime. I think it's a really nice protective style for the summer, and it's easy. It's I'm not gonna say it's quick because I'm not fast at it. This didn't take me as long as the first time when I did my first passion twist, because with this passion twist I made my boxes a little bit bigger. And remember guys, I am not a professional, I'm not a hairstylist, so my boxes, I'm not gonna lie, my boxes aren't all the way even throughout, because it's really hard when you're doing your hair yourself and you can't see in the back. I can just do the best that I can, but I like it, and as long as I like it, I'm happy with it. So I'll take it down for you guys so you can see what it's looking like. Ooh. So yeah, take it all down. I never do like a middle part or anything, but this is what it looks like down. And as you can see the blonde, the 613 highlights throughout. I really like it. I just wanted something a little bit brighter for the summer, you know. And I didn't do it in any like particular order or anything. I just kind of randomly placed pieces in where I felt, you know, I would like it. But I am loving it. I will probably be rocking these all summer because I literally have to do nothing to my hair, and I love that personally because it's just like you just get up and go. I put my bonnet on at night and it keeps them reserved and nice and neat. I also used the same mousse in my last video that I had shown you guys. I still use that mousse on this hair, and it does keep it from frizzing up so quickly. You might see a little bit of frizz because, like I said, it's a week old, so, and my hair doesn't really tame well. But yeah, I really like it, guys. Like I said, I'm not a professional at all, so, but I think I did a pretty good job in my opinion. So I'll keep putting these in my hair all summer. This will probably be the last passion twist video that I make because I don't think I need to like keep remaking them. But I wanted to show you guys with me putting in the 613 hair. I bought the 613 hair off of Amazon. I only got 2 packs and I did not use all 2 packs at all. I think I didn't even use a full 1 pack because, like I said, I just put random pieces of 613 in my hair. I was thinking about actually doing like braids, but I don't know, it's just something about the passion twist that I can't. I think it's just because it kind of looks, it's like curly, you know, and I really like that curly look, especially like in the summertime. I had bought 2 packs of 24-inch 613 packs of hair. It was only like $12 of the 613 hair, and I just reused the previous passion twist hair that I had in previously. It's really good hair, guys, and I will put the link to the 613 hair in the description down below. I will also put the link to the original passion hair that I used in my previous video in the description down below. But yeah, it's holding up really well. It's doing great. They're still fresh to me. I just put my bonnet on every night and it keeps them nice. I don't do much with this hair. I don't even wear it down because it's too hot. So I just literally put it up. Like, I'll just take like half of the hair and I'll put it up like this. And I only twist it one time with the bun and pull it, and then I just kind of pull my hair, the strands to the side like this, and my hair to the front like this. And I love it. And I have a bun in the back here, and then I just have like my hair in the front here, the curls, and I think it's so nice. I love it so much. I think it's cute. But yeah, guys, I wanted to come to you guys before it got too late. But this is the end result, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.